Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share a small demo on how to do gold bleach at home. So let's begin. I am using Richfield's luxury gold bleach kit. This one is one of my favorite and it helps in lightening the complexion, increases skin elasticity, improves blood circulation, soothes inflammation, and it has antibacterial properties, reduces excess oil on skin, prevents premature aging as well. It comes in a beautiful golden package, and inside the package you can see we have this cream. The net weight of this box is 210 grams. Okay, and after this we have these activators. These two are the activators. Next we have pre and post bleach cream, which we are going to use after and before applying the bleach. Along with that you have this plastic palette and a spoon. Along with this you get this instruction where everything is mentioned, like how much time you should wait after applying the bleach, and your skin type, like for the darker skin tone, like you need to wait for 10 minutes, for whitish you need to wait for 15 minutes, and for the fair complexion it's 15 minutes. So let's begin. As you see, I have lots of makeup on my face. So before proceeding further, we need to remove the makeup. So first I am just gonna take out my lenses. So I am gonna fill my lens case with the solution. Okay, and I'm just taking a few drops on both the sides, and then I'm gonna remove my lenses and I'm gonna place my lenses in the lens case. So try to be gentle on your eye. Be careful while removing your lenses. So just place it safely. And next I am removing my eyelashes. Here I am using baby oil. I will be using the baby oil on a cotton pad, and then I am just gonna gently apply it all over my eyelashes. And you can see like how easily it is helping me in removing the makeup. So just emulsify it properly and use a wet cotton pad. So my eye makeup is done. I'm spraying water on my face to prepare my skin for the next step. So next I will be using this missile water to remove rest of the makeup, like my base and other things. And I'm just gonna gently massage it all over my face. And once it is done, I am gonna use a dry tissue to wipe it out, so that my makeup is completely removed. You can see there's so much of makeup on my tissue. Again I am spraying water all over my face, and then I'm gonna use a cleansing milk. It's a gel based cleansing milk. So I am gonna just emulsify it properly on my face, and just going to do a circular massage all over my face, so that whatever the leftover residue is there, it comes out. Once this step is done, I'm going to wash my face with water and come back. Now I'm done with the face wash. I have taken a clean towel and I'm just gonna dab it on my face and make it dry. Always use a clean towel, and always have a different towels for your face and body. Next I'm using a toner. I will be using toner with the help of cotton pad, and again I am just putting some drops of toner on the cotton, and then I am going to apply it on my face. So always apply it in a dabbing motion so that it penetrates deep inside your pores, and it helps in shrinking the pore, and it helps in preparing your skin for the next step. And you can after washing my face, still there were few residue left over on my face as my makeup base was very heavy. So next I am going to apply this pre-bleach cream all over my face, in a very generous amount all over my face, and we will be ready for the next step. So just wait for 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we are going to prepare our cream. So I'm using a glass bowl, and I'm going to take 1 spoon, the same plastic spoon which comes with the kit itself, and I'm just going to take that 1 spoon of cream in the glass bowl. And the ratio should be a 5:1, the activator and the cream. So it's a 5:1 ratio of the cream and the activator, and we're going to blend it well with the help of this plastic spatula. And I would suggest you people, like whenever you're applying any bleach at home, do not use any metal container. The best and the ideal one is the glass one, and avoid using the steel spoon as well. So use a plastic spatula or a plastic spoon if you have at home for mixing this cream and applicator. So just keep mixing it until all the fine particles of the activator are completely mixed, and it should be a thick cream kind of texture. So once it is done, I'm going to use this plastic brush for applying the cream. So here I am applying it all over my face. First I am applying it near my ear, because I have hair over there, so that I can cover it. So once the application is done, just wait for 15 minutes, as my complexion is towards fair, so I will be just keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes approximate. So once it is dry, you can just check, like you can just rub near your ear loops. So you can just rub, and you can see if the color of the hair has changed, then you can wipe it off. The easiest trick to wipe this cream is to use a wet towel. I mean the wet face towel. So here I'm using a face towel. It's completely wet, and I squeeze the excess water, and now I'm just wiping my face with the help of this face towel. And you can see how easily it is coming out. Instead of going and washing your face directly, the best is first you wipe it out with the wet facial towel, and then next again you can wash it off with the water. See how easily it is done. Doesn't take much of time, but if you wash it directly near the tap, it's gonna take lots of time. And like if you're using a wet towel, like it helps in removing the dead skin also very easily. So we are done. So I just washed my face with cold water. Don't use warm water as it's winter. Still I would recommend you to use cold water for cleaning your face after application of the bleach. So now you can see my face is all clean and clear, and you can see a glow on my face. There is no makeup, no serum, no cream, nothing at all. So again I'm gonna prepare my skin for the next step. So I will be applying toner again. Again in a dabbing motion, just apply it all over your face, and then the final step from the bleach kit, I am using this post bleach gel. So I am gonna take a generous amount, and I'm gonna apply a thin layer all over my face, and I will be waiting for 5 minutes so that it gets completely absorbed in your skin. So here again, next step is I am applying my eye cream under my eye with the help of my ring finger tip. I am just giving a gentle massage on my eye so that it penetrates inside my skin. And after this, next step is night cream. I am just using 2 pump of night. I'm taking it on my palm, and next I'll be adding 2 drops of my serum, like it's a boosting serum, so I will be mixing it with my night cream, and then I'm gonna apply it all over my face. As I'm doing this bleach in the night, so that's why I followed my night care skincare also along with the bleach procedure. If you're doing it in the daytime, you can just follow up with the SPF, like after applying the gel cream, like the post gel pack, you can just apply your sunscreen and you are done with the my last and the final step is like applying this lip mask on my lips, and it is done. So I hope you like this video. If you like my video, if you find it little useful, please do like and subscribe my channel so that you keep getting the notifications for my future videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care. Love yourself. Be beautiful as always. Bye bye. Love you all.